Have you ever dreamt of walking on the cobbled street of Paris, munching on a flaky buttery croissant or a soft brioche bread? Paris का मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन here in Bandra, Mumbai, you have Suzette, which offers authentic French bakery products and patisserie. So we're going to go there to try some amazing French breads. Come on, let's go. Here we are with Jeremy. Hi Jeremy.
Hi Kavya.
He is the head baker of Suzette Bakery, and as you can see there are these lovely breads in front of us, and Jeremy is going to talk about it and I'm going to taste it. Alright, let's get started.
The first one is the sourdough baguette.
The sourdough baguette.
Baguette is the most iconic French bread. It's a crusty bread, and we make it with a sourdough starter, which is a bit like different from the regular recipes you'll find in the market. So this is a crunchy bread.
Yes.
I think you should break it first. You're probably not used to the crunch.
It's really crunchy from outside, but inside it's like cotton. It's very, very soft. It tastes really good.
This one is made like with ancient grains, so we know that people are more and more like health conscious and they want to eat like good carbs. So this bread is made with rye, which is a very ancient grain, and with emmer wheat, which grows in India and which is a very, very healthy form of wheat.
And what do you generally have these with? Anything like a pasta or just butter and
I think you can have it like in the morning. It's a great way to start the day, and then sandwiches. We know here people love sandwiches.
And so this is made of the brioche dough, but the process is like making a croissant where they kind of fold the layers. There are multiple foldings,
exactly,
resting periods, and then this beautiful thing comes out of the oven. Oh my god, that butter hits you directly.
Yes, I mean there is like a good amount of butter in this. I mean you can't make a croissant or brioche without butter. It's like one of the most important ingredients. No, absolutely. You like it? Yeah.
It's not too sweet. Like I think if I eat like a balanced lunch, then I can have this whole thing for dessert.
Yeah, absolutely.
And sleep for 5 hours.
Yeah. Try this one, the Madeleine. So Madeleine is it's like a tea cake. It's not a pretentious cake. It's a simple cake, but it's a very, very French cake.
I love that crunch. So this crunch and softness and the combination of this is almost there in all the
so we like to play on textures. I mean, we say sometimes that the edges should be almost like cutting, like a knife.
It's sharp, huh?
It's sharp, yeah.
And this is the paris-brest.
Exactly. So basically this is a choux paste. On top of the choux paste we have a little crumble, which is made with hazelnuts, brown sugar and flour. And then inside we have a pastry cream in which we add some praline, homemade praline.
So blast of hazelnuts. And this pastries are quite soft.
Yeah.
And kind of flaky too. This is like a piece of art in itself, right? Look at those beautiful layers of lemon custard and meringue.
You can go like this, I think. Yeah.
Kind of wakes you up.
Yeah, that's the idea.
lemon custard is so citrusy, but yet the meringue kind of levels out the sweetness, and that crunch again from the base, from the crust is just amazing. You guys need to come here and taste these amazing preparations. Especially, I loved the mille-feuille.
Yes. Mille-feuille.
Okay.
Mille-feuille.
Feuille. This is probably one of the few places you're going to get authentic French patisserie, and it's totally worth the try.